Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Lewis and Clark.
Today, we're going to make everyday hominy and bacon, just like Lewis and Clark did in 1804. Hey, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Lewis and Clark. I'm Mr. Raymond.
I'm Mr. Graham.
I'm Mr. Gimbi.
Mr. Gimbi's back. That's right. And today, we are going to be making everyday hominy and bacon, just like Lewis and Clark did in 1804.
Wait, didn't we have that yesterday?
It's everyday
I forgot.
hominy and bacon, Mr. Graham.
Every day.
Hominy and bacon again?
Every day.
Every day. All right, very good. In order to make hominy and bacon every day, you need to have hominy. Hominy is husked corn. We've got yellow hominy, white hominy. You can get hominy in the hominy aisle at the local supermarket. And it actually kind of looks like something the dog yacked up, Mr. Graham.
Yeah, both of them do.
Both of them do. All right, we also have to have bacon. Bacon is good, and if a little bit of bacon is good, then a whole lot of bacon is better. And Mr. Gimbi, like we had in the 80s, you need to have a little bit of
Salt and pepper.
salt and pepper. We're going to push that in there real good, Mr. Graham.
I'm glad
That's
that
right.
I'm here for the food on this one.
That's right, and we do need to have an onion. All right, very good. The first thing we're going to do in order to make hominy and bacon is we're going to put our bacon in our skillet. This is my handy dandy iron skillet, and for the sake of time, we pre-sliced our bacon before our episode. We're going to put our bacon over the fire. This is medium heat, I made sure, and we're going to let that bacon sizzle. Once that is cooked, we're going to put our onion in and let the onion saute a little bit. So we'll be back in about 5 minutes once our bacon is cooked. We'll see you then. All right, we are back, and our bacon is now fried up to a nice golden brown, as you can see. We've got plenty of bacon grease in there, which is good, right, Mr. Gimbi? That's correct. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our onion, and we're going to plop our onion into that bacon grease, and we're going to saute our onion for 5 minutes. So, Mr. Graham or Mr. Gimbi, when do you want to grab the bacon? The onion. We can just
I'm not going to grab that.
very carefully scrape our onion in there.
Very carefully. Everybody stand back.
Very good. All right, we are going to saute our onion in this bacon grease for a couple minutes.
But my attempt at being a history teacher, although I'm not, is oh, look at that thing. Is, although we're using cast iron, I was reading your book that Lewis and Clark actually used brass kettles.
Brass.
Brass. Yeah, they had 6 brass kettles. They bought from Philadelphia before the expedition. And this cast iron cookware wasn't invented until the late 1700s. Although it's something they definitely could have used, but it didn't come to popularity until like early 1800s and mid 1800s. So
Interesting.
but this does the trick here.
All right.
That's my technique.
Thank you very much. That's actually really interesting, Mr. Gimbi. You want to grab our hominy, our yellow and white hominy. Let's do one at a time so you can scrape them in.
Oh, okay.
Go ahead. We'll scrape our white hominy in first. There we go. And then we'll trade off with the yellow.
There we go.
And then, Mr. Gimbi, you want to grab our salt and pepper and push that in there real good. Oops, well, we're going to let that go. Ladies and gentlemen, something like that happens, just let it go. Always use parental supervision when cooking bacon in an open pit fire in your backyard. All right, we're going to let this cook for 5 minutes, and we're going to come back and see how our everyday hominy and bacon is today. I bet it's like yesterday.
Just like yesterday.
Actually, it's really interesting that Lewis and Clark only had one hot meal a day. They would make something like this at nighttime. They would eat half of it, and it was supposed to last the core of discovery throughout the course of the next day. So as they were moving forward, they would just snack on this.
Leftovers are important.
Leftovers are important, and so they would cook one hot meal a day at nighttime, and that's how that went. I think our hominy and bacon looks like it's done.
Looks like it's going to be.
Okay, so I'm going to grab my pot holder. Pot holders are important because, as we know, fires, Mr. Graham, are
Not a toy.
not a toy. There is our everyday hominy and bacon. We're going to get some here for Mr. Gimbi. Oh, no. Yep. Get some for Mr. Graham. Yes, sir. serve myself some of this. And then I'm also want to thank Mr. Ben Crowell for being our cameraman again.
Great job.
8th grade student extraordinaire. Thank you, Ben. Turn that phone around and give yourself a selfie.
I'm good.
You're good. All right, very good.
Humble.
Okay. So, gentlemen, everyday hominy and bacon, just like yesterday. Cheers. Here we go. Hot.
Hot.
Woo! But it's good.
It's good.
Oh, it
is
tastes
really
like
good.
bacon and corn.
It is better than the squash.
Oh, yeah, last time we made that butter. Are you okay?
Take a minute.
Here.
Take a
Drink
minute.
of water. Take a drink of water. Okay. Very good. What do you think?
Oh, delicious.
It's delicious.
That's good.
Excellent.
Excited to eat it
You like-
tomorrow. And the next day.
And the next day.
And the next day. And the
Good
next
thing
day.
you like it.
As long as it lasts. All right, well, hey, there you have it. You know, hominy and bacon. Everyday hominy and bacon, just like Lewis and Clark in 1804. Hey, I'm Mr. Raymond,
I'm Mr. Graham.
I'm Mr. Gimbi.
and we'd like to thank you for joining us for another episode of Cooking with Lewis and Clark. We'll see you next time. If you want to make everyday hominy and bacon just like Lewis and Clark, here's what you need and what you need to do.
Just read really fast.
What are you having for dinner today, Ben?
Everyday hominy and bacon.
Just like yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Not bad, huh?
Pretty good, yeah.
Yeah.